Yes, peeps, welcome to my YouTube channel. And as you know, we're up on Bryce Lane. We're there on Bryce Lane, and you know, them do some repair on the lane and it break away. So, last time I create the I go give an update while going. So, as you can see, my network. So, people earlier on them fixed this and look what happened. Like a month after this collapse. The retaining wall still remains same, but as you can see, this drop down. It look like it want pop better. You know what I mean? They want pop better. And as you can see, up here dirt, so you want pack with stone and everything. So as you can see, men at work. Because they do a reinforcement, so they might deal with the next side too. And you come like it's a riverbed, it's a riverhead there, so. Because yes, always a breakaway, people. So people, when you come in on the Bryce Lane, drive with caution. Because if you drive too much over there, so you might end up in the precipice. All right. Oh, see the condition that walk by us, so people. Oh, the wall still remain, man. The wall still solid, people. The wall doesn't drop and it doesn't move. It doesn't move. Because if it move, the pipe iron, the water pipe would have break away. So, as you can see, yeah. Okay. So, look on the structure. No pure dirt under the bottom. Pure dirt under the bottom, people. So what them do, them are going to pack it with stone. Them are going to pack it with stone and thing, you know. And get it well firm. But this place always, no care how them fix it, people, always a breakaway. For me a boy, I see this more than 10 times I see them fix here on the breakaway. So I don't know if it's a sinkhole there or a riverbed. Or a riverhead. But some water stream is here. Some water stream, because they fix it a million times and it break away. So it looks like a place where hold water, so they have to build something. Well, take away the water from it, you know. Trust me. Whole heap of work along with the people and it break away. You see it? Just a month ago them fix it and it break away. Now, as the rain come down, so because we have a lot of rain in September and August and June. We have a lot of rain. So just rainfall cause the thing to wash your back, you know. You want to say they're not doing good. Oh. So it's a busy road there for me people. People, when you drive here, remember drive with caution. Okay? As you can see, the road falling. You understand? Breakaway. Big up the hard working waterman. You know, them deal with the thing, you know. Alright? Oh, that was hard working. So, them try to deal with the situation with people.
Yeah, man. We have changed the pipe from the side there.
Oh.
Put it on the side there so people can continue to water.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, man.
So, this pipe did over there, right?
Yeah, man. So we are running up on the street now. We connect up the back up at top.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Oh, so that's the reason here. Okay.
Yeah. So right now we're not going till the morning because we are trying to work right through so the people.
But you know, me have it wrong. Me check sound and fix it, you know.
No, man. No, we have fixed over this. Man, NWC deal with that part, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man. There's a break.
Oh, you guys are NWC. Okay.
Yeah. So
okay.
We move the pipe from the side. We are breaking continually.
Yeah.
And we are put it on the left hand side.
So people may not work, people. Big up
man. Straight water, man. Water is life. What do you think that you have?
Big up the NC, big up the NWC, man. Yeah. So where guys from? Where no work from?
Mandeville crew.
Oh, Mandeville batch this.
Yeah, man.
Oh, so it's a Mandeville mix up with Christiana batch, you know?
Yeah, man. Two crew, you know, merge.
Yeah. So big up the NWC, man. Them know hard at work. So when them say them are replace the, as you can see, they want the breakaway.
Yeah, man.
And that might cause the gland to get soft, right?
Right.
Kind of leak, right?
No, man, the pipe didn't leak, you know.
Oh, okay.
The pipe wasn't leaking.
The pipe wasn't
Just
leaking.
the style keep on breaking away.
Oh, because when you look on the retaining wall, it still remain solid.
Right. So you can say, all right, you see the building, the wall will build up, in the mesh, the stone wall, it level with the road, you know.
Yeah.
But because the style break away, so it gone down lower than the road.
Okay.
So I guess them have to come build it again and join up back to the level of the road again.
Okay. Okay.
So you have to rectify as soon as possible.
I hear that many people just giving an update on the Bryce lane, you know. So right now the NWC replacing a pipe. So we notice further down Manchester don't have any water, you know. So I do it quick as possible. From what time will it start today?
Yeah, man, from morning, man. But through the rainfall, we couldn't reach further, but because of the rainfall.
Okay. So people them are work fastly to make everybody get them water, you know. I know water is life, you know.
Yeah, man, straight.
So big up the NWC, man, then.
Yeah, man.
From Christiana and Mandeville combined.
Yeah, man.
So people, so the man they work hard. Yeah, man. Crazy job. Somebody has to do it, baby. What we call it dirty jobs.
Yeah, man.
Dirty jobs. But you know somebody have to do it, you know. Somebody has to do it. Yeah, somebody have, no matter what. So people, they are going to keep them company because you know what thing go.
Yeah, man, straight.
So people, as you can see, them are replace the...
we valid with customer them too, you know, so we have to do it as fast as possible so we customer them can get back some water, you see?
You hear that, the people, NWC, autonomous service, quick and fast, rapidly.
Rapid response.
Yeah, rapid response, people.
Brilliant.
Brilliant. Yeah, the people, remember people share and subscribe, alright? Watch the video, you get interested. So this how much? About 10 feet or 6?
No, the pipe, the pipe them coming at 20 feet.
No, maybe the depth of the hole.
The depth of the hole?
Yeah.
No, man, that don't reach 20 feet, that don't reach 10, man.
Oh, about 5? Oh,
yeah, 5 to 6.
Okay.
How tall are you, 45 or much?
I'm on 5 now. What go on?
Make sure you watch it here.
Alright. I want to know on the road.
We have 5 feet in level.
Yeah, man, basically 6 feet, man.
6 feet, 6 feet, man, 6 feet.
The pipe don't have 3 or 4 feet.
So this joint is a flexible joint, like?
Right, yeah. So we use that for join back the 2 pipe them. So you call that a sleeve coupling.
So when pressure take it, it works anywhere?
Yeah, man, you know how to move, man. You know how to move. Once you tighten properly, you know how to move. And the dirt about the pan for holding the weight, you know?
Okay,
so the pressure no shift.
Okay, yeah. So people, as you can see, the work continue, you know?
Yeah, man.
So
it's shining way up at that, man. When you see the old shop with the car wash there, yeah, man, we go all the way up to there.
Okay.
But that now we're finished, you know. So
okay.
We are doing best.
Okay. So by about in the middle of the week, then we have water we restore. Okay. So this line come from the St. Thomas?
No, man.
Alston?
No, don't
Moravia, okay. So people, this water supply come from Moravia, alright? Pressure feed or pressure feed and a pressure feed, no?
Yeah, man, the pressure feed, man, that you turn off now.
I have a pump station right there.
Okay.
Substation right there.
Yeah, I remember, yeah.
You put on the sun and go up
okay.
Due to the every rain. The reason I don't water now because of high turbidity, and because of high turbidity, people can't water. So right now, because of the high turbidity, we're using that for them now to put in this pipe as fast and effective and professional work at the same time.
Rapid response.
A rapid response.
Alright, so rapid response. So people pay on the water bill because water bill is the cheapest thing.
Yeah, man, for real, man. Yeah, man, tell them again, man. Tell them again.
Yeah, man, pay on the water bill, man, because water, and they don't charge your money, they don't really give you the real price.
Man. Some people believe the water free, you know.
The cheapest thing,
but
my people.
But hear the amount of money you have to pay the light bill to pump the water.
Yeah, man, pay on the water rate, man. Right now, pay on the, don't steal the water, my people.
Yeah, man.
I know a thing, man. Just do the right thing.
Yeah, for real.
Out of everyone I build them, water is cheapest bill. Yeah. Cable bill there. Not about JPS, we never talk about them. Because they're my biggest.
Yeah.
For you can't pay a JPS bill, you pay any bill. Not about gas bill. So water is a most resource thing, you know. Alright. Alright, sir. So people, so looking at the middle of the week when we get back water, you know? Can't tell you which day, but
soon as possible.
Yeah, so which area affected by this cutoff?
They know the area more.
Which area affected by this cutoff?
Like Succeed, Bryce,
Hold on, one at a time. Yeah.
So you have Succeed, Coleville, you know, look at sub-communities, Bryce, Tiki.
Okay.
You know, yeah, Sawmill.
Okay.
So on and so forth, yeah.
So people, Sawmill people, Tiki people, Buttup, Coleville. If you wonder you don't have any water, this is the problem. The workmen are doing some repair, no?
Cross the road and go past over this continue on the street.
Oh.
So what we are doing now, we take it from this side and I run it straight up the road.
Okay, that's what it is. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks for the correction, man.
See, look one, it's a piece of?
Yeah, I see it, yeah.
That was a piece of the right, this is go cross back this up. Cross the road and they continue up the road.
So why they never do this before? What happened?
That's a brilliant question.
It was 1950.
19 much?
Brilliant question.
People.
Look at that. Leave the substation, you know, on the
You
left hand side.
got to talk, Dr.
Right?
Yeah.
And then them cross it to the right.
Yeah, I don't understand that
Right?
part. Yeah.
And then up here, so now, them
They
cross it back to the left. Right? So that's a good question.
Yeah.
Good question.
People, it was.
Oh,
Oh, yes, that's true. There's a people that was from in the 50s, so you know a thing now. You know, technology rise every day and every day, you know? So this is a better methodology. You know, so our place, I don't remember. Repeat again. I like the lesson.
You have to do it over, man.
Alright, sir. Repeat, man, because I have a cut out that.
Last Nick, just big up on yourself. Give thanks for the forward boy you give way. You don't know what a man out here put in the job and not normal. Tell the people and pay them water bill cause we know
water is life.
Water is life.
Yeah, man. Last Nick, man, I really know the team no chronic.
Alright, right, that's up the people.
See you, man. Straight Last Nick, man.
Yeah, man.
Straight Last Nick, you know?
Alright, the people, yes.
Yeah,
So people remember. So people remember, please share and subscribe, alright?
Yeah,
so we deal with the waterman from Christiana and Mandeville, you know?
Yeah, man. I was say straight Last Nick, man. You don't know the team no chronic. And the more ironic, you see me?
Yeah, big up your
we have Highway and we have QA. How this? Chisholm? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And we have Alice.
Yeah. Oh, the driver?
Driver, Tyson, the backhoe operator.
Oh, backhoe, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright, sir.
I know Rufus, a.k.a. Waterman.
Alright, sir. One.
Q1 that, man.
Yeah, man, 1 Q, 1 1.
Alright, sir. Right, that's on the people. That's on the people. Alright, sir. Not done it. We'll soon get water here.
Yo, original, what are you doing?
When?
No.
Alright, sir.
You need a bit on the line, man.
How much you fee? How much you luggage? A big DJ one, the full of slang apart. So people there have it from the workmen and from Christiana and Mandeville, you know, NWC man, you know. Yeah, big up the whole team, you know, hard working man. Them. So you see, it's about 6:30 right now and them still on the job, you know. So them said next week, Coleville will get in the water, Tiki. All of them places were affected by the water now. Sawmill. Now get back on the water next week, alright? Sometime early next week. Due to the weather conditions still. Alright? So people, if you're watching this, please remember, share and subscribe, alright? Cool. Big up on yourself. Remember, go up on my channel and see it.
Yeah, man, what deal with it, man?
Last Nick, right?
Last Nick straight.
Yeah, man.
Nah, give up, we still hold on to the field.
You know what I mean? Yeah, definitely.
But we still a day.
Yeah. Why you full of
we not real.
You're a real DJ, man.
Full of rhyme,
That's up your career, you know?
Yeah, well, we need one time, man.
Alright.
I'm not skilling that time.
Right, that's how the people.
You know those like for Portland?
Rapid response. Yo, man, do the same thing. Alright. Yeah, man, cool. Yeah, man, rapid response. Good. So people, there you have it, the people. So you don't know, just have a jar with the water, man. You know, national water, NWC, man. You know, and them dip on the road. Wicked. So as you can see, them are going with the work right, or some people. So the backhoe dig out the thing, you know.